Hello, so we're going to cover the lead's right hand turn. As a quick demonstration, we're going to start off with the basic and show you how it's going to look like. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to break it down. As a reminder, leads, we always start off with our left foot. So you start by stepping forward with your left leg on 1, putting all your weight on your left leg. Now we're going to step out with the right foot on 2, shifting all our weight from our left leg to our right leg. And this is important because our right leg is going to be our pivot point, because we're going to push off with our left leg and spin. And this is going to happen all on the count of 3. So once you spin, you're going to be facing where you originally started. So on 3, you're going to spin and come back facing where you originally started. So that's going to be the first 3 counts. I'll break it down one more time. So you're going to be stepping forward with your left leg on 1, stepping out with your right leg on 2, making sure all your weight's going to be on your right leg. You're going to push off with your left leg on 3, and then end up where you originally started. Now for 5, 6, 7, it's just going to be your half basic. You're going to step back with your right foot on 5, 6, and 7. Okay? Now we're going to do it all together. Starting off with the basic, your lead's right hand turn should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that is the lead's right hand turn.